Welcome to today's video. Let's talk about the laziest way to make money online as a beginner. I'm going to be showing you 5 steps in which you can follow to start making money online. And this is the laziest. I can tell you that because I have used these steps to make money online. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome. My name is Awajimami Sioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online and I show you things you can do that will help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. All you need to do for me right now is to like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss whenever I share content like this. So let's get straight into it. Let me show you laziest way to make money online as a beginner. Before we talk about number 1, you need to understand that for you to make money online, you need to be solving a pressing need. You need to be solving a problem, and then you need to identify what the problem is that you want to be solving for people. If you understand these two things, then you can say you can be making money online. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing to do is to pick a ready-made product. Okay, you need to pick a ready-made product. Now, there are some of you that will say, okay, I'm not good at creating stuff. Yes, I understand. What you can do is to pick a ready-made product. Remember, we are talking about the laziest way for you to make money. So where do you get this product? You go and get what we call PLR products. Okay, go to your Google and type PLR product. Once you type PLR product or you type PLR downloads, free PLR download, you're going to be given free digital product that you can download free of charge, and you can edit them and repackage them for sale. Okay, you can sell it and keep all the money for yourself. So you need to pick a ready-made product, or you go to a platform called stakeout.com. all right, pick a product in the marketplace. Make sure you sign up, pick a product in the marketplace, and there you have a product ready for sale. The next thing you're going to do is to create a simple sales page. Okay, I understand that you may not know how to create a sales page, but what you can do is to pick that product you have created, all right, that product you have downloaded, go to a platform called SELAR.com. all right, go to SELAR.com, sign up on SELAR, or you can use Gumroad to do it. Sign up and upload the product. Okay, that is number 2, upload the product. Then number 3 is to go ahead and start promoting. You can create short videos, or you can create simple graphics that you can use to promote that product. Once the product is ready and you've hosted it on any platform, next thing to do is to start talking about it. You can either promote it using your WhatsApp status or using your social media, or you can run TikTok ad for it. By the way, if you want to run TikTok ad, if you want to learn how to run TikTok ad, I'll drop a link in the description that will lead you to where you can learn more about how to start running TikTok ads. Okay, so you go ahead and promote the product aggressively. And if you talk about the product for 30 days, you should start seeing people who are interested in getting the product. You make your sale. Okay, number 4 is to add your payments link. You can use Paystack, you can use Flutterwave, you can use Gumroad, you can use SELAR to receive payments. Okay, the good thing is that any of these platforms that you upload the product will help you to handle your payments. The 5th process is for you to continue to post consistently. Keep posting, keep sharing, keep talking about it. The more you talk about it, the more people are going to see it and they will be interested and they will make payment for your product. A good way, or a good place, a good platform for you to do this is TikTok. TikTok is very free for you to post your content. The more you post, the more you talk about it, the more people will begin to see what you have for them. And that's how you can make money using the laziest method. Okay, I believe you have learned something. This is just going to be a very short video. If you got value from this and you want to learn more how you can do this, then drop a comment for me in the comment section. And also make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to check the links in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.